This is not good. Just alter the course as we go. Wow. Whoops. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Electrosport RC Raceway. Just for a Friday night outing. There's no real scheduled thing happening. I'm just here with some other people who are enjoying the track. But the crawl course is also open, and I brought my crawler. So yeah, this is my RedCat Gen8. It's a pack system that I have built out with a this H2 Hummer body. And you've seen this before. I am running just an old 2S Traxxas pack just because I need to use it. But this has a Mamba X system in it, a 3000 kV Speed Passion Certix. This is discontinued, the motor. The speed controls you can still get, Mamba X, the 10th scale. I really like the Mamba X 10th scale. It has some great features. I'm still very much a Genzace fan, Genzace Redline for racing and all that stuff. I'm using just a battery that fits in this vehicle pretty well on 2S because I wanted to see how does it run on 2S. I believe most of the time that I've ran this has been on 3S. So let's go to the crawler course and see what it's like. I've got it on the Radiolink RC6 GSV2. I'm quite curious to see how this is going to run on 2S with that Mamba X speed control and the 3000 kV motor. It's brushless. I don't like how this vehicle sounds when you run it. Like it makes that. Anyway, let's go out and see if it has enough torque to do the obstacles. And the reason why I want to see is because that speed control and motor are actually very good for other things. I really should put that in a short course truck or some other faster machine, but you know, it's actually does very well in a crawling environment as well. So here's top speed on 2S. It's actually quite appropriate speed. It's too nutty on 3S. I'm trying to do this backwards. This is the dismount. Okay. Now I'm running an upgraded bumper and no rear bumper on this. Right, so far so good there. Whoop, traction. That would be why you're supposed to go down it. Now I've really hooped myself. I'm not going to be able to recover that. I'm going to have to grab it. Hand of God time. Whoa. Yeah, this thing's hard. Holy moly, I can't believe I was able to recover that. Now I'm in trouble though. Oh, maybe not. I had it for a second. Hand of God. Oh, that's hard on it. Whoa! Help. We'll help. Okay. Whoa. Alright, this is extremely difficult. And I'm going the wrong way on it. Try for something a little easier. I don't have enough braking. I have it set up on the controller where I can have a full brake, but I have to press a switch on the grip, and I forget to do it. Oh, wow. Really doesn't have the approach angle that my TRX4 does. You have to be careful to keep the nose down when climbing. Okay, keep the nose down. I don't necessarily recommend the Gen 8. I cross-shop them because the thing that I don't like about a Gen 8 is particularly the front end. When you press down on it, you see how it goes like over and down? It does not have proper suspension geometry. There's something funky with them, but it has bump steer and it has compression twisting. I don't know the proper terminology for that, but it does. Anyway, let's try number course. The noises you're hearing in the background is people on the RC track. Whoa. Oh, rough. Uh-oh. So hard to see. Oh. So yeah, this is the full trail brake if I keep the grip connected, but then if I let go of that button, then it goes into a freewheel mode. Really should have it reversed, but I have to program that. That's the there's an auxiliary switch, auxiliary channel on the speed control that you can do that with, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so let's go over the other way. Whoops. Reverse is way too touchy. Yeah, I think I've already talked myself out of keeping this system in because when you go into reverse, it's really jerky, so I can take it easy, but then I'm trying to go into reverse as smoothly as possible, dialing in reverse, dialing in reverse, dialing in reverse. It's still, yeah. I need to program it for an instant style reverse. It has some sort of a delay on it. Yeah. This is more so ESC programming as well. So let's see if we can crawl up this and then do the bridge. So we either need to spend a lot more time fine-tuning this, but I may repurpose this electronics in something else. Is not good. Just alter the course as you go. Wow. It's really good at the rocks, I must say. It's quite good at the rocks. Reverse is terrible. Reverse is just set up horrible. Gonna have to fix that. Okay. See if I can see where I'm going here. Okay. This is good. And then turn. Whoa, now I'm going to use my grip brake to crawl myself down. But you see how long it took me to realize. I rolled all the way down, and if I let go, it'll also roll. This is me just holding my grip button that I have programmed. So I'm going to let go, let it roll. All right, and off we come. All right. Whoa. Stuff like that I'm enjoying. It's just not quite as enjoyable to me as the TRX4 is. So now we're going to try this corner here, which I was previously getting my axle hooked up on that guy a lot. Not with this truck. We're going to see if this truck has that same problem. If I can get on it without falling over. Whoa, come on. See that full turn, and I still like crab walked off the edge. This is a sensored brushless system. You cannot go this slow with a sensorless brushless system. If you're ever going to put a brushless system in a crawler, it has to be sensored, or else you're never going to get slow speed control. That is very important. Whoa! I'm all about the hands of God. Let's try this again. It's amazing how a couple of millimeters here and there can make all the difference. And now the dismount, I'm still holding my brake button so I don't roll down too much. And now this is where that metal bumper really screws me up, because it digs right into the rock and then I can't get up and over.
I want to shoot with a buddy of mine.
Sure, man. I'm not very good, and this truck is not set up very well, but I'll go ahead. Let's see what's happening. Very precise. Oh no. Oh, no. Oh yeah, and it has a climb rollover. That was interesting. That did not seem like that big of an angle, but actually that is quite difficult. So I guess you would have to put your tire over on this side to get around it. I may not be able to, I can't climb up that steep of a grade. No, I just want to roll back on itself. All right. Whoa, unbelievable. I was just crawling up here and then I got stuck here. I was going back and forth on this area and the whole rear axle casing just snapped right in half. Not impressed. That's not good. All right, there goes the rear axle on the Gen 8. Holy moly. Was not expecting that to happen. This is, you know, a part that's not broken. It's the actual casing. It's really just the actual casing. It's literally just the plastics that are broken, but still, that's unfortunate. And it's a weak spot because there's so many joints, right? There's a joint there and a seam. And then this is snapped in half too. I'm not entirely sure everywhere that broke. It's part of it. The links are still attached. All the link points are still good. It literally cracked. Anyway, you can see where it cracked through the axle. I do have this very overpowered for what the pack system was designed to do. Whoops. Yeah, so that's the RedCat Gen 8. Definitely needs some fine tuning, but I may just end up stripping it down because that speed control and that motor would be much better suited in something else. And I'm kind of over the Gen 8 platform, but we'll see what I do with it next. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Crawler Course Electrosport RC Raceway, and if you want to run your vehicle on the track, they've got the track set up too. That's what all the background noise was you were hearing. All right, guys, thanks for watching.